Welcome, my fellow tax professionals. In this video, we'll be discussing the taxpayer's duties and responsibilities after the IRS has accepted the offer and compromise application. I'm your host, Attorney Robert Schaller, and the author of the course. The taxpayer has duties and responsibilities after the IRS accepts the offer. In fact, the taxpayer has the requirement to stay in full compliance for 5 full years after the offer has been accepted. Certainly, the taxpayer has to comply with the Form 656 offer payments. That would be either the periodic payment or the lump sum payments. In addition, though, the taxpayer must stay in compliance with all filing responsibilities and all payment responsibilities on the annual basis or quarterly basis as appropriate during the 5-year period. Enjoy the course. Let us begin exploring the taxpayer's duties after the IRS accepts the offer, focusing on the terms and conditions. The taxpayer must fully pay the offer amount specified in Form 656. The taxpayer must remain in full compliance with all tax laws. The taxpayer must stay vigilant and in full compliance with all the terms of Form 656 for the 5-year period, beginning with the date the offer was accepted and ending through the 5th year, including any extensions. The taxpayer must timely file all required tax returns during the 5-year period. The taxpayer must make all required payments during the 5-year period. The taxpayer with employees must quarterly file Form 941 and make all federal tax deposits. The 1099 employee must make quarterly Form 1040-ES estimated tax payments. The taxpayer must file and make annual Form 1040 payments on a timely basis, if any are required. The offer terms cannot be changed once the offer is accepted. A common question queries whether a taxpayer can add post-acceptance tax liability to the offer amount with a corresponding increase in monthly offer payments. The answer is simply no. As just discussed, offer terms cannot be changed once the offer is accepted. Second, a taxpayer's failure to pay the post-acceptance annual Form 1040 tax liability could result in the default of the offer because that taxpayer would be breaching the 5-year duty to stay in full compliance with the tax laws. Therefore, stated simply, annual 1040 tax liability for years during the 5-year period after acceptance cannot be added to the accepted offer payment amount. Thank you for listening to this video, and please spread the word to family and friends that Do-It-Yourself Offer and Compromise Academy is available to help taxpayers find solutions to crushing IRS-backed taxes. The music for this video was provided by www.bensound.com. You can contact the Academy at its contact page at www.diycompromiseacademy.com. Enjoy the online course and keep on learning.